Welcome guys, today we are adding music controls to our game. That means start, pause and volume adjustments, all in one neat setup. First we need background music. You can record your own music, use free songs, try AI tools or use something like MusicLab. For this video I will be using AI for my track, which I prepared before. Have a listen. Alright, let's dive in. Now I import the music file into Unity. Next I create a new canvas and name it MusicCanvas. Inside this canvas I add an empty game object which we'll call MusicPanel. Let's set its X position to 500, nice and centered. Now I add a new script to the MusicPanel and name it MusicPanelController. Let's make sure this panel doesn't get destroyed while switching scenes. The awake method runs when the game starts. Here we ensure this object persists across scenes and maintain a single original instance. Next, let's start designing. First I add a slider to the music panel. Set its width to 640, height to 80 and rotate it by 90 degrees on the Z-axis to make it vertical. Then I add a button below it. Move it down to Y position of -400 and set its size to 100 by 100. Now let's go back to the music canvas. Add an audio source component and attach a new script called MusicController. Then add a song to the audio source. Alright, time to write some logic. First I remove the update method because we won't need it. Then I add variables for the audio source, the button and the slider. I also create a flag to track whether the music is playing. Next I write a method to toggle the music on and off. When the player clicks the button, we check the flag. If music is playing, we pause it and change the button text to play. Otherwise, we start the music and set the button text to pause. Finally, toggle the flag to opposite value. Now I write a method to adjust the music volume based on the slider's value. If the value changes, the volume updates dynamically. The final step is to add our custom method to the listeners. With the logic in place, let's hook everything up in Unity. Link the audio source button and slider in the inspector. Don't forget to check the loop option on the audio source so the song doesn't stop. Alright, moment of truth. I click the button to pause and play the music. Adjust the slider to change the volume and when switching scenes, bam! The music keeps playing seamlessly. And that's it, our music canvas is working perfectly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.